Hi, Muzammil here. Thank you for tuning in. You'll find this useful if you're someone who, like myself, has moments when our mind is cluttered with tasks, with things to do, and there are moments when we're not even sure what we need to be doing and when we need to be doing it, and maybe fundamentally why we're meant to be doing it. And when we don't have a sense of why, there's a kind of undermining of motivation to get something done. And just a bit of background, the system that I'm going to describe, I came across from a book that I found in my partner's room left by a friend called Wasi, who, because of lockdown, wasn't going to get it back so soon. And because of that, I managed to get a chance to see that book and semi-study it. And the name of that book is The Bullet Journal Method by Ryder Carroll. And I'm not going to go into the details of the method. I'm just going to share with you, I guess, some of the principles and the main benefits. And you can check out the book yourself. By the way, I don't get any profit or any kind of benefit from sharing this information. It's just because I think it could be really useful for a lot of people. So the magic of the bullet journal method is that it's a system that contains various elements within that system, all of which are useful. And it enables the capturing of ideas of things that we need to do into a notepad, and also enables that capturing of that information to happen in a way that's organized, so we have a sense of when something is a priority, when it needs to be done. And there's also various symbols that can be used, and within the system is a method that enables things that aren't getting done to be visited as to, are they still relevant? What's important about them? And for them to migrate or to move, if need be, if we still want to keep them, to a different place in time. So this fluidity allows us to be with what we need to focus on now. So it enables us to be present to what's important today, what's important now. So this system of moving, of really filtering things and understanding why something needs to happen is really fundamental and is enabled through this system. Another aspect I like about this system is that it, as well as capturing tasks that we need to do, it also captures reflections and opens us up more, so to that kind of dream-like capacity. So there's a kind of ebb and flow between the practical things to do and that more dreamlike quality that allows ideas to consolidate and become clearer. So if there's a bit of a challenge in knowing what kind of bigger project or initiative we want to give attention to, because we can't do everything at the same time, I found it useful to help that thought energy to consolidate and to really get a sense of what's important to me right now. So the real benefit I found is that I can be more present. I know what I need to focus on now, and I know that other things are taken care of in their own time. And if I don't get things done, there's a system to sieve, to refine, and really understand if something is still important. And then, if it is, put it in its place in time. If it isn't, let it go. And the beauty of it is also, for me, that it's all done by hand. It's all handwritten. And that's a real strength in that it enables me to spend less time on the screen. And I think that's really useful for a lot of people in a world when we can be so attached to the digital realm. So I hope that's useful. So the bullet journal method is a book to check out. And if you like this, do signal that with a like, thumbs up, whatever. And if you want to subscribe or share, then feel free to do that. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.